A wise man once said,
surprises me most about humankind is that we get bored.
Moral question that drives all success.
It's a quote that has helped me immeasurably, and it's from a book called The Horse, the Boy.
A person who never says
Dreams without goals.
powerful.
Stop regretting the past.
I wanted to do this too. Well, now you can, and it's never been easier. Hey guys, my name is Josiah, and today we'll look at how to make those viral wisdom shorts on TikTok. First, you want to go to the Virbo app on your phone. Tap on AI tool, then AI photo generator, then AI image. In this box, you'll write the prompt to let the AI know what you want to generate. So for this example, we'll go with Morgan Freeman. I mean, he seems like a pretty wise dude. Then you can choose the style, and we'll go with a cinematic one because it's my favorite. In frame size, we'll keep it vertical. Generate image. Next, you want to tap on the talking photo on the bottom right. After it detects a face, you can insert here whatever you want him to say. And so we're gonna have him say this. You can also turn the captions on if you like. And next, let's choose the type of voice. If you wanna do more editing, you can use other editors to enhance the video. But right now, let's export it and see the final result.
Challenges are what make life interesting. Overcoming them is what makes life meaningful.
Now you're all set to create those viral wisdom shorts on TikTok. Just imagine the possibilities. I mean, Morgan Freeman dishing out life advice on demand. I mean, who knew AI could be this fun? If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe for more, and make sure to share it with a friend who could use a little bit more Morgan Freeman in life. And don't forget to download Wondershare Virbo in the description.